So as I said before, Epcot has a unique musical voice, right? We all know that. And throughout the years, we've collaborated with composers and songwriters from across the globe to bring this voice to life. And we are continuing that tradition as part of Epcot's transformation, as our Imagineers dream up a new musical anthem for Epcot. And we couldn't think of a more perfect audience to hear the world premiere of this new anthem. Now, to make this very special moment happen, I'd like to introduce the composer of this stunning new piece of music, Pinar Toprak. Pinar's musical voice has helped set the tone from everything from superhero films like Captain Marvel to a Pixar short. And we are thrilled that she is working with us to create Epcot's new anthem. Pinar.
Thank you, Bob. Music has a unique superpower, the ability to make you feel, to inspire hope, optimism, and possibility. Those are the ideas Epcot was founded on, and I'm honored to contribute to the long legacy of original music that has defined this park. Join me as we usher in the next era in Epcot's musical journey.